Cleaning can feel like a never-ending task, but the right tools can make it much easier. In this video, I have listed the best 20 Amazon cleaning gadgets that can really help save time and effort. These gadgets are simple, practical, and designed to make your daily cleaning more manageable. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Cactus Toilet Brush. No dead corner cleaning is possible with a C-type brush head that reaches under the rim and scrubs away hidden dirt. Made of TPR, the bristles don't trap hair and are easy to rinse, keeping it hygienic. The long 17-inch handle prevents contact with the toilet, while the curved design ensures comfort. It dries quickly without splashing and can be hung on a wall or placed on the floor conveniently. Steam Station for Clothes. Quality tested to ensure safe use, the appliance comes with a 1.5-liter removable water tank that reduces frequent refilling. Its powerful steam output removes stubborn wrinkles from cotton, silk, wool, linen, and more. An automatic shutoff after 10 minutes ensures safety, while a self-clean and anti-drip system prevent mineral buildup and leaks. With precise temperature control, it delivers smooth, professional ironing results, making it ideal for large laundry loads. Self-cleaning litter box. Open-top design provides cats a spacious, safe area with better airflow, reducing odors. A 10-liter waste container allows up to 10 days of scoop-free use, saving time and effort. Equipped with infrared and Hall sensors, it detects cat movement to prevent accidents during cleaning. Installation is simple, and modular components make it easy to maintain. Just empty the container and refresh litter when needed, ensuring a hygienic experience for cats and owners. Shower faucet set. Pressure-balanced valve keeps water temperature steady, protecting against scalding. A built-in hydroelectric generator powers the digital display, showing temperature and usage time with no batteries required. Offering 4 shower modes: rain, waterfall, handheld, and 6 body jets. It allows individual or combined use for a spa-like experience. Constructed from solid brass, the system feels durable and stylish. Easy installation and premium craftsmanship provide long-term reliability with luxury shower functions. Shower footrest. Made of durable plastic with a smooth finish, the footrest measures 4.9 inch x 5.5 inch, suitable for family use. Its angled, curved design provides balance, making pedicures, shaving, and washing feet easier, especially for elderly or pregnant users. Installed with a suction cup, it avoids wall damage and can be repositioned as needed. Setup is simple. Just secure the latch and confirm suction strength before use, ensuring stability and safety in the shower. Touchless vacuum. Powered by a 1500-watt motor, the vacuum eliminates 100% of dust, debris, and hair with ease. A 5-layer filtration system, including a pre-motor filter, traps particles and extends motor life. 3 modes, auto sensing, tap, and manual, make operation effortless for all users. With dual clean options, it handles floors or detailed cleaning of sofas, corners, and crevices. Low-noise technology keeps operation quiet, ensuring a calm environment for children and pets during cleaning. Robot Lawn Mower. Designed for lawns up to 0.2 acres, it maps and plans mowing paths using precise positioning technology. A smartphone app allows easy control and viewing, while GPS tracking adds security. With 3D obstacle detection, it avoids collisions and cuts grass evenly with parallel lines. Automatic recall during rain or low light ensures uninterrupted function. Suitable for flat lawns under 3.5 inch tall, it provides hands-free lawn care with worry-free convenience. Automatic trash can. Equipped with a one-touch self-sealing system, the smart trash can pack garbage hygienically without direct contact. After disposal, it automatically replaces the bag, saving time and effort. Each purchase includes 6 refill bag rings with a total of 120 bags. A motion sensor lid opens with a wave or knee bend for touchless use, isolating odors. With helpful voice prompts, the design is user-friendly for children, adults, and elderly family members. Bed vacuum cleaner. A 500-watt motor generates strong 13 kilopascal suction with a 13,000 per minute rotating brush to remove dust and pet hair effectively. Smart sensors detect dust levels and display cleaning progress, while UV light and ultrasonic technology eliminate harmful particles for up to 99% protection. With 130 degrees Fahrenheit heating in just 5 seconds, it ensures deep sanitation when in contact with the mattress. Compact and safe, it's ideal for maintaining clean, healthy sleeping spaces. Steam. Suitable for hardwood, tile, laminate, marble, and sealed stone, the steam mop uses high-temperature cleaning to remove dirt and stains safely. It comes with washable microfiber pads and a carpet glider for versatile use. The detachable handheld unit includes 10 accessories for cleaning windows, grout, sinks, and even garments. Heat-based cleaning eliminates 99.9% of bacteria without chemicals, making it safe for families with children or pets. Efficient and multipurpose, it simplifies whole home cleaning. Portable mini washing machine. Mini washer delivers deep cleaning by reaching fabric fibers while protecting delicate garments like silk and lace. Its lightweight, compact, and cordless design makes it perfect for travel, camping, or small living spaces. With simple one-button operation, you just add water, detergent, and select a wash mode for effortless laundry. Ideal for underwear, socks, baby clothes, and other small garments, it ensures freshness without tangling or damage. A must-have for travelers and moms. Spin mop and bucket. Designed to clean with fresh water from start to finish, this spin mop eliminates dirt and bacteria without needing harsh chemicals. The built-in foot pedal allows you to control water usage, while the microfiber mop heads remove 99% of bacteria using only water. Machine-washable mop heads make cleaning cost-efficient and convenient. Safe on all hard floors including tile, vinyl, laminate, and hardwood, it's a practical cleaning system that ensures hygienic results and long-term savings. Sensor toothpick dispenser. Smart toothpick dispenser uses an auto-induction flip design that opens with a wave and closes automatically, preventing unnecessary contact. With a 250 toothpick capacity, it offers long-lasting use and better hygiene. Easy to operate, it powers on with a simple button press and allows quick refills through its removable top. Rounded edges make it safe, while the sealed design keeps toothpicks clean. Perfect for homes, restaurants, or offices, it combines convenience, cleanliness, and modern design. Wall mount pressure washer. Built with a long-lasting brushless motor, this wall-mounted pressure washer runs quietly while delivering industrial-grade cleaning power. Its space-saving design keeps floors clutter-free, while the automatic retractable hose reel locks at any length and rewinds in seconds. With a graphene cooling system, it maintains performance even during long cleaning sessions. Easy to install and equipped with a 2-year warranty, it ensures effortless car washing, patio cleaning, and home maintenance with professional reliability. Toilet lid clean lights. Equipped with intelligent UV light, this device sanitizes toilets automatically once the lid is closed, promoting a cleaner and healthier bathroom. It powers off when the lid is opened, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. With waterproof IPX4 protection and silicone sealing, it resists moisture and odors while maintaining durability. Installation is simple with strong adhesive backing and a secure slot design to prevent slipping. A convenient, hygienic solution for maintaining freshness in every restroom. Magic brush. Ergonomically designed for comfortable cleaning, this versatile tool comes with durable non-woven cleaning wipes that effectively remove dirt and grime. Ideal for glass surfaces and toilets, it ensures a sparkling finish with minimal effort. Lightweight yet sturdy, it reduces hand strain while delivering efficient results. Built with long-lasting materials, it withstands regular use, making it a reliable cleaning essential. Perfect for households looking for a practical, hygienic, and easy-to-use solution for daily chores. Hard Bristle Crevice Cleaning Brush. Compactly designed with stiff PP bristles, this crevice brush is ideal for tackling grime in narrow spaces, corners, and edges that larger tools miss. Strong and durable, it scrubs away stubborn dirt effortlessly while maintaining its shape over time. The angled head provides precision cleaning, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip even in wet conditions. Perfect for grout lines, faucets, sinks, or tile joints, it's an essential cleaning tool for every home. Magic Feet Cleaner. Made with over 1,000 soft bristles, this foot cleaner gently scrubs and massages from heel to toe without the need to bend or stretch. It removes dead skin, calluses, and cracks, leaving feet smooth and refreshed. Designed like a bath shoe, it enhances relaxation while stimulating blood circulation and relieving stress. Durable and eco-friendly, it offers a spa-like experience during daily showers, making it ideal for anyone who wants healthier, softer feet effortlessly. Inflatable Bathtub. Constructed from high-density PVC with thermal fusion technology, this portable bathtub is durable, eco-friendly, and waterproof. It inflates in under 3 minutes with the included electric pump and folds easily for storage or travel. With an ergonomic backrest, pillow, and armrests, it delivers spa-like comfort at home. A zipper cover maintains temperature control, while the built-in cup holder adds convenience for drinks or devices. Perfect for relaxation anywhere, it offers luxury and portability combined. Waste Compost Bin. Featuring a ventilated design with an odor control filter, this compost bin keeps your kitchen fresh while managing food waste efficiently. The flip-top lid ensures easy access, while an internal liner-retaining hole keeps bags neatly in place. Built with a durable stainless steel handle, it is lightweight yet sturdy enough for daily use. With a 1-gallon capacity, it's the perfect size for countertops, making composting simple, tidy, and environmentally friendly without unpleasant smells or mess. Keeping your home spotless doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools, and these 20 Amazon cleaning gadgets prove just that. From clever time savers to powerful helpers, each one is designed to make cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient. To grab the best deals on all the gadgets mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.